This video is going to walk through how to create an account and print using UltiMaker with your MakerBot 3D printer Sketch or Sketch Large. So once you go to the UltiMaker page from the staff portal, you can click on Continue with MakerBot. And then for sign in, you can sign in with Google and sign in using your OCSB.ca account and create account. Once you're in, it'll ask you to set up a workspace. And for activate subscription, you can click on free plans and go to free EDU. And register. Once you're in, you can choose your MakerBot printer and select Sketch and Sketch Large. And then you can get the code by clicking on the network and then authenticate with code to get the 6-character code to connect to your printer. To create a print, you're going to go down to Prepare. And here is where you can import your STL files. Computer as well. So let's upload one 3D print, do a test print. So similar features, you can zoom in and you can move your pieces around if you need to. You can scale them, rotate them, duplicate. If you want to erase things, you can clear the build plate there, reset all transformations, and you can arrange everything so it's tight together. Right. On the other side is where you have your print settings. So there's some settings down here. So you can change the infill density. You might need to do supports. If there's an error message at the bottom, you can turn on support and you can choose the type. And you can also, and at the bottom here, you can choose whether you want a skirt, a brim, a raft, or nothing underneath, right, and straight onto the build plate. Once everything's set, you will slice it here. And you can either queue it to print by cloud, or if you need to, you can click here to download the MakerBot file, which you can then put on a USB to print directly to the printer. To go back to your printers, you can click on printers over here and you can add multiple printers or see the ones that are there. Make sure they're online. We've been having some connection issues with printers, so you may need to print through USB.